Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
And here's a look at our Dakota Magic Casino sky cam. You see those flags there? Just a whisper of wind, at least down at the South Dakota, North Dakota border, which is, whisper wind is coupling a little bit with the cooler temperatures we have out there, but wind chill not as much of a factor as it could be, of course, if those winds were really ripping out there. Right now at Hector International, it's 33 degrees, but of course with that wind, it feels like 22 degrees. Looks like the winds have picked up a little bit there at the Fargo Airport, now west at 20 miles per hour. Those have been southerly for most of the day today, and that was a gust of 25 miles per hour picked up there as well. But notice also, if you were watching earlier, the dew point was at 15 degrees earlier this evening. We've had those southerly winds bringing in some more humid air, and so as the temperatures cool tonight, it looks like the temperatures will fall to around that dew point in the 20s, so expect widespread 20s to start your day there on Tuesday. Here's that low pressure system. So we had that southerly wind out ahead of this low pressure system, bringing in that somewhat warmer air, we'll say more humid air. And as this low pressure system continues to push across, we'll start to see those westerly winds become more of the trend across the area, not just here in Fargo, but even to our Minnesota neighborhoods as well, seeing some snowfall in a few locations, a few flurries. The heaviest snow is in the Black Hills and toward Des Moines, Iowa. Look at that, some heavy snowfall there. So if you know any folks there in Des Moines, they're getting walloped with some snowfall right now. You can see how deep that cold air gets into the nation. You'll see Kansas City at 33, 28 right now in Amarillo. But the coldest air in Billings and Calgary, those are the temperatures that we'll start to see pushing in behind this low pressure system. So yeah, I'm expecting temperatures in the upper teens as we head through the next couple of overnights this week. The hour by hour, though, just shows a few passing clouds here through the overnight. By 7:30 a.m., it looks like the clouds hang on in our northern neighborhoods, perhaps a few flurries lingering up there as well. And you'll see those blue arrows, that's that westerly wind joining us at 7:30. So with temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s, the wind chill will be a factor at the bus stop tomorrow. So maybe throw a heavier coat on for the kids there at the bus stop. And even with some sun tomorrow, I'm not expecting it to be too much of a warm up from those 20s as we head into the afternoon hours. By lunchtime tomorrow, see mainly clear skies to the south in the Southern Valley with north of 94. Seeing those clouds hanging on again, a few flurries not out of the question as this low pressure system exits toward the north and east. And you see some of those heavier or those darker, the green arrows. There's a stronger breeze out of the west. So we'll be breezy in our western neighborhoods as well. But the impacts we're seeing are just possibly a few flurries, nothing too impactful for the day on Tuesday. Here's the temperatures, though. We're in the 30s for those highs tomorrow. Westerly winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. So wind chill will be a factor both in the morning and in the evening hours. But I expect some sun to peek through those clouds through the afternoon hours. And here's the temperatures tomorrow afternoon, where the temperatures start off cooler in the day. Devils Lake Basin temperatures around 4 o'clock, only in the 20s. We're then in the lower to middle 30s up and down the valley, with upper 20s to low 30s then for our Minnesota neighborhoods. And notice, of course, the sun sticks around a bit longer in those southern neighborhoods. The clouds hang around a bit longer to the north. So that planner for you looks about like this. We've got 30s for highs both tomorrow and Wednesday. But of course, those morning temperatures in the teens the next couple days. And for trick-or-treaters, I'm expecting temperatures around 30. It'll be dry Thursday. The next chance of some snowfall comes on Friday, but it looks to be light.
At least dry on Halloween.
Yeah, it's dry for Halloween and dry for
key.
most of the week as well.
Thank you.